Inside this package from Michael Jinks at Just Plain Fun is a Stanley #1. I've never had a #1. This is the first time, and I'm really excited because I get to have a #1. So I'm going to open this box up with you guys watching, and we'll see what she looks like. There's the Stanley #1. It is just a body. It's missing the toe and the back, and it's missing the frog and the tote and the knob and the iron and the lever cap and everything. But I'm going to make this a functional tool. I don't know how yet. I don't know what I'm going to make. I have some ideas, but I want to hear your ideas. So comment below. Let me know what you think. I'm titling this the Stanley #1 project, and I'm going to get started on it soon. So subscribe so you can find out when that gets posted. And it will be soon because I'm going to start on this right away.